A majority of the CAT syllabus is similar to a high school syllabus, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, reading comprehension. But the exam itself is very different from our board exams or our college exams. This exam, you don't need formulae, you need concepts and logical reasoning to get a good score in every section. So, concept videos, live classes, speed concepts, which translate your concept understanding into solving cat like questions, daily POV, where you understand the author's viewpoint. These are the things that help us to get ahead. Second, 99 percentile in CAT is less than 50% marks. No one is finishing the paper. So you need the right test strategy to pick and choose the easy and the doable questions. Lastly, all the questions are for 3 marks. Unlike in our boards where you might have had 1 mark question and 10 mark questions, you have step marking. In college, we write a lot. But here it's multiple choice questions and every question is for 3 marks, irrespective of the difficulty level. So again, you need to get the test taking strategy right, which is why with our 25 CAT mocks, we also provide a test taking strategy session with Vignesh and me so that you understand how we as 99.9 plus percentilers would approach the exam, get that high percentile and get into a top B school. So if you're looking to crack CAT 2024, sign up today at mockat.com.